This video is a continuation of the Easily Make These Interiors Enterable in Main World. I am working in meters as scene units. Select everything and the exterior. Isolate the objects with ALTQ. Notice the framerate jumps up drastically. Remove the entry box. Select everything and snap the door of the interior to the exterior door frame. Move the interior bits -1.07 in x-axis. The right door is not Z-fighting with the exterior. Axis constrain its corner to the corner of the building in Y-axis. Remove the doorknobs from the doors. Add the building material to it and set material ID to 10. Unwrap its UVs set to planar projection in Y-axis, and scale down the UVs to match just the door part of the texture. Alter the UVs of the wall that the doors are standing against. Cut around the doors by facing downwards to get an accurate cut result. If you mess up the cut, you can Control Z or just fix the vertex positions with axis constraints. Delete the faces. Export the exterior DFF. Export the door DFF. Locate gen_door ext14.col in your collision single folder and name both DFF and COL as 1491. Open copshop_sfe.txt and delete everything except bevdoor02_law. Save as 1491. Go into your left orthographic view and select the protruding vertices of the interior. With that viewport and the vertices selected, move them into the building, which should be roughly minus 0.565 in x-axis. Move the protruding window details by 0.565. Export the interior DFF. Exit Isolate. Select everything and export to IPL. In the IPL, change the door to gen_door ENT01 and to ID 1491. The incorrect IDs will be fixed automatically later in this video. Select and isolate MP_SFPD_big_call layer. Add edit poly to collision mesh and remove isolated vertices. Remove the entry box vertices. At the windows that were protruding outwards, set the box's width to 0.1 and realign them using axis constraints. Export collision with its primitives. End isolate. Select and isolate copshop_SFE call. Set the layer as active. Add edit poly to collision mesh and removed isolated vertices. Unhide the copshop_SFEDFF. Copy it and move to the collision. The entry has overlapping faces, so remove those and cut. Export collision with its primitives. Delete the duplicate exterior DFF. Convert the IPL map to Lua map so that it can be loaded on MTA. Add the following code to the Lua script to remove original object and its LOD from map.